Yes.
Good evening, Haripriya. Haripriya, did you solve this question?
1 minute, sir. I'll tell.
What happened, Haripriya? Did you get it or not? Or do you want me to solve it? Hello, 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 hello.
1 minute. I got x plus 1 whole square. I'm figuring out 4. I got a wrong end.
Okay, it's okay. See, if you have solved, you have got the expression whole square, you will be getting, you must have got the right part also.
Could you show it, sir?
So you want me to show it? Okay. See, the mirror image of the parabola, y square is equal to 4x. This is y square is equal to 4x in the tangent to the parabola at 1, comma 2. First, let's draw the tangent. The equation of tangent. So equation of tangent will be y by 1 is equal to 2 into x plus x1. That's how we find out. But the point is 2, comma 1. So it will be y into 2 is equal to 2 into x plus 1. 2y, 2 will get cancelled. Y is equal to x plus 1 will be your equation of tangent. See, if you want me the shortcut method, very short, do you want me without solving anything? If at all this kind of question comes in your examination, how will you solve it without solving actually? See, if the mirror image is there, 1, comma 2, see, Diva, look carefully. The mirror image would be a parabola something like this. But also the tangent will be touching, the tangent at 1, comma 2 will also be the tangent to the new parabola, right? So 1, comma 2 will be touching the other parabola also. So that 1, comma 2 should satisfy that parabola also. Now look, out of these 4 options, which one is satisfying 1, comma 2? C only. This is how you should solve if you want to solve it quickly. Now the normal method is assume any point on this as x1, comma y1. Okay, now try to find out the mirror image of this point with respect to this line x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Let's say it is x2, y2 or xy. We'll find out. So what we will do, x minus x1 by 1 is equal to y minus y1 by minus 1 is equal to minus 2 into x1 minus y1 plus 1 divided by 1 square plus minus 1 whole square. Okay, now x minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by minus 1 is equal to minus 2 by 2 into x1 minus y1 plus 1. This we have. So if we solve it, we'll get x minus x1 is equal to minus x1 plus y1 plus 1. The value of x you are getting is y1 plus 1. The value of y that you will be getting is y1 minus y is equal to minus x1 plus y1 minus 1. Y will be x1 plus 1. Now, you know the point x1, y1 that you have found, that you have assumed, that point x1, y1 lies on the
Sir,
origin.
wouldn't it be -1?
Where?
X is equal to y1 minus 1.
X is equal to y minus 1?
Yeah, because the negative sign you multiplied, no, sir.
Minus x1 minus y1 minus. Oh, correct. Thank you. This will be minus. So it will be y1 minus 1. Now correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so y also got, x also we got. But one more thing is, from here we have got y1 is equal to x plus 1 and x1 is equal to y minus 1. Now we know this x1 comma y1 lies on the original parabola. So we can substitute this value that we have got in the parabola. That is y1 square should be equal to 4x1 should be there. So x plus 1 whole square is equal to 4 into y minus 1. This is our solution. This is the normal way. See, this is the longer way. That's the shortcut way. Diva, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Always look for the shortcut method because you have time, you have less time. Substituting and trying intelligent substitution is always considered better because intelligent substitution will save you more time. So when you have this, if you like the way I have shown now, if you put 1 comma 2, because 1 comma 2 will be satisfying other parabola also, see which of these options satisfied 1 comma 2, you'll get only C option is there. It's very small, very less. Otherwise, solving this way, you'll get the answer. Okay, let's move on to the next part. Tangent and normal we have discussed. We will solve more problems, don't worry. But I'll tell you in this class, I'll tell you the equation of tangent in slope form. I'll sell. Acha, did you get the answer, Diva? The question that you told, binomial theorem.
Sir, I checked the hand, but I will try it later.
Okay, I'll do one thing. After the class is over, na, in the night when I get free, I'll make a short video. I'll make a short video and then I'll send you with the PDF and short video also. Okay, you will understand better. In the meantime, you try to solve by yourself. Equation of tangent in slope form. What is this one? See why this is helpful. Equation of tangent in slope form. When you have a parabola of this form, suppose y square is equal to 4ax is there, and you want to find out the equation of tangent to this y square is equal to 4ax with only one variable. What that variable is, you are given only the slope m. You are given only the slope m of the tangent, and you have to find out the equation of tangent only in this slope form. Also, x1 y1. You have to find out the point x1 y1. Okay, now our task is, see, you have to find out the equation of tangent only the slope form, m in terms of m and only a, and also you have to find out the point at which the tangent is there. So what, I'll make it easy for you. Equation of parabola is given as y square is equal to 4x. You assume y is equal to mx plus c is the equation of tangent. Now your task is to find relation between, I'll give you this one as a question. Find relation between C, A and M if you can. Also find x1 comma y1 in terms of C, A and M. These are the two questions. Can you try? if you want some hint, just ask me. Sir, we want hint. We are not getting any idea how to get it. I'll give you a hint. Hmm. Haripriya, Diva, are you getting the idea? Are you able to solve it, or you want me to solve it? Should I solve it?
Yes.
See, it's not difficult. It's easy only. You are given y is equal to mx plus c is the equation of tangent. It's that you're not able to see how you'll get the relation. Y is equal to mx plus c is the equation of tangent given to us. The equation of tangent to the parabola at x1 comma y1 is what? Y1 is equal to 2a into x plus x1. Okay, this we have learned already. Now you have to compare this equation 1, with y is equal to mx plus c, because both the equations are same, exactly same. So I'll write the equation 1 in the form of equation 2. So I'll get y is equal to 2a by y1 into x plus 2a x1 by y1. This is actually y is equal to mx plus c. So comparing, we get 2a by y1 is equal to m, this first, Acha, let me give it another name. This first thing, third one, and 2ax1 by y1 will be equal to your c. Oh, actually we've got everything. See, from this we'll get y1 is equal to 2a by m, x1 is equal to y1 into c by 2a, which is c by 2a into y1 is 2a by m. So 2a gets cancelled, so x1 is equal to c by m. Something is wrong. Achha, no, okay. Okay. So this is this. Y1 and x1 value we have got, nothing wrong. I think now you know this x1 comma y1, this point, it lies on the parabola also, x1 y1. So it will satisfy it. So y1 square is equal to 4ax1. So 2a by m whole square is equal to 4a into c by m. From here you'll get the relation between a, c, a and m. So 4a square by m square is equal to 4a into c by m. 4a cancel them. C equal to a by m you have got. Now if I put this value of c in this, I'll get x1 is equal to c by m, which is a by m square, and y1 is equal to 2a by m. See, from this what we are getting now, the equation of tangent becomes y is equal to mx plus c it was, so mx plus a by m it will be, and the point of contact POC, point of contact will be a by m square comma 2a by m. This is actually a very good relation. It helps you to solve the questions very easily when you know only you have to find out the equation tangent and you only know the slope of the tangent. Tell me, did you understand, Diva and Haripriya? Was it easy?
Yes, sir.
This was not easy. This was not easy actually to solve, but I want you to learn how we get it, because you will be using the same thing to get the equation of tangent in terms of slope for the ellipse and as well as for the hyperbola also. Remember this method. But much beyond that, I want you to remember this equation, because when we talk about the questions of JEE Main, you will be able to solve many of the questions, but just by knowing, just finding out the equation of tangent, just by knowing the slope of the tangent using this. Also the point of contact also you'll find very easily using this, so it helps. I'll give you a question. Where is that? Try solving this question. If you want to look at the formula and all, you can just ask me, but formula is just above. Sorry?
Oh, yes, sir. I'm having network issues today.
Hmm. What happened? Are you not getting the answer? Or do you want some more time? What happened? You took you took too much time. Haripriya, Diva, you took too much time. See, let me solve it for you. You're not solving it quickly. See, the equation of common tangent to the circle and the parabola. I can this y square is equal to 4x. Any tangent I can take as y is equal to mx plus a by m. A is 1 here, so it will be 1 by m. Now this tangent is actually a tangent to circle also. So that means what? The center of circle is what? 3, 0. What is the radius? 3. This is the equation. So the length of tangent from 3, 0, length of perpendicular from 3, 0 to the tangent should be 3. So we should have here m into 3 plus 1 by m minus 0 divided by root over 1 plus m square should be equal to 3. To solve it, 3m square plus 1. Oh, you are getting bigger equation. This is the problem you are facing. Is equal to m square into 1 plus m square. It should be whole square. Right? You are not able to solve this question. This equation, right? I think.
Yes.
9m power 4 plus 1 plus 6m square is equal to m square plus m power 4 if we solve it. No, it's not that difficult. It should not be that difficult. It should be 8m power 4 plus 5m square plus 1 is there. Roots. Roots you will get is we are getting imaginary roots. How? There's some problem in this.
Still, wouldn't m to the power 4 get cancelled?
m to power 4?
I'm in what I did, m to the power 4 got cancelled.
But it's not getting cancelled in mine.
Sir, I multiplied it and then I whole squared it.
Same thing I did. It'll be 3m square.
Yeah, but 3 whole square is 9. You have missed a 3 there. On your
That's why. See, because these roots should not be imaginary. Na, see, silly mistake I have done. I have missed the 3 here. And then again, if you are squaring, you'll get 9.
But you'll still get m is equal to 1 by root 3.
Let's check. So m power 4 is getting cancelled. So here you will be getting 3m square is equal to 1. So m is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3 you'll be getting. So the equation of tangent you should get is y is equal to mx plus a by m is there. Na? A is 1 anyway.
Root 3 y is equal to x plus.
So you will get y is equal to x by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. This is one equation. The other equation you will get is y is equal to minus x by root 3 minus root 3. So either you will be getting root 3y is equal to x plus 3, first one, or root 3y is equal to.
It's option C, not A.
It's option C. Root 3y is equal to x plus 3. Correct. They could have given this question for the advanced, means for advanced 2 multiple answer type. But for advanced, it will be too easy. What about Diva? Diva is not saying anything.
Sir, I also made some mistake in solving the question.
Silly mistake, na? But see, the important thing is, did you understand how to apply the concept?
Yes.
Applying the concept is actually important, because I gave this question because I wanted to show you how this concept is being applied to solve the questions. And what kind of questions they frame. And this question is from JEE Main also. Not a tougher one. We're able to solve it. See now, equation of pair of tangent. Achha, tell me this one. Did you remember what's the equation of pair of tangent to the circle? That equation. If we dot two tangents from an external point x1 y1 to the parabola to the circle, what was it? Forgot. SS1 is equal to t square. Do you remember? You want me to actually show you again. Where is circles? Where is circles? See, actually, the thing that I have just proved, the same way I have done in circles also. Actually, they are interrelated. This one, do you remember? Pair of tangents to a circle. SS1 is equal to t square. Gone. Diva, I think for you, circle was not covered, na?
No, sir, I was there.
He was there. So you should remember it. Haripriya, what about you? Do you remember this one? See, one more thing I'll tell you before next class. You do one thing. The concepts of circle you revise. Why I'm telling you this one? because they are actually very similar. The concepts of circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, they will be actually very similar. After a point of time, you'll see that exactly the methods are exactly same, only the results are somewhat differing. So this result, pair of tangent result, chord of contact with midpoint, they all results are same. I'll actually compare and show you. See, this result you have understood now. What was this result? If we draw a pair of tangents from point P, x1, y1, external point to the circle, whatever may be the circle be, the pair of tangent equation is L1, L2 is equal to 0. Two straight line equations multiplied with each other. Then that equation we get is S1 is equal to T square, where S is just the equation of circle. S1 is the point x1, y1 substituted completely in this equation of circle. And T is the equation of tangent. This square. If you do this, you'll be getting the equation of pair of tangents to the circle. Okay? Yes? Got it? Harip, tell something. Haripriya Diva?
Yes.
Yes.
You just revise it. It will be comfortable for you. Now let me do it for the parabola. Same thing. What is this? For this also I have written SS1 is equal to T square. No? Just go through those results of the circle. It will be easier for you. Now if I take the equation of circle, parabola as y square is equal to 4ax, the equation that I'll get is S is what? Y square minus 4ax. S1 is what? Point substituted in the parabola. Y1 square minus 4ax1 is equal to T square, equation of tangent. Y1 minus 2a into x plus x1. This whole equation squared. If you simplify this one, now you'll be getting the equation of pair of tangents combined. And if you are able to separate them into two equations, this one you will get two individual equations. Got it?
Yes.
The next result that I'll tell you is equation of chord of contact. That is that you may not be remembering, but actually the result was the equation of the equation of tangent at a point to the circle was actually the equation of chord of contact to the circle, the point taken outside. What is this? Why it is changing? Okay, let me write with that color only. Equation of chord of contact. This is our parabola. This is our external point. From this point, we are actually drawing the two tangents. This is one tangent. Other tangent is this. Arey yaar. Just try to see, this is tangent, okay? Two tangents. And if we join these 2 points, we are getting, this is a chord of contact. And the chord of contact is actually T is equal to 0. This is the equation of chord of contact. And the equation obviously will be, if I have taken y square is equal to 4ax as the parabola, so the equation of chord of contact will be y1 minus 2a into x plus x1. But important thing to remember is, here this point x1, y1 lies outside the parabola. When we are talking about the tangent x1, y1 point lies on the parabola on which we are trying to find out the tangent equation. even though these two equations look similar, but their meaning is different. I let one more result. Equation of chord with midpoint as x1 comma y1. What they mean by this, if you have a parabola of this kind, you have any chord, midpoint is x1 comma y1 given, means this length and this length are equal, and the parabola equation is y square is equal to 4ax. In that case, the equation of this chord will be t is equal to s1. These are actually the same results. And one more thing I'm telling, at that time also I told you, these results which I'm telling you, they will be repeated in parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Again I'm telling you, these results that I'm just telling you, these results will be again repeated in ellipse and hyperbola, so you better remember them. It will be easier for you to remember, to memorize there. It will look familiar to you. So the equation will be what? We write it as midpoint. So the equation will be y1 minus 2a into x plus x1 is equal to y1 square minus 4a x1. And see, I have shown this result for y square is equal to 4x only, but all these things, t is equal to s1, tangent, finding out the equation of tangent, all those things you know for other parabolas also, general kind of parabola also. So no need to worry. One more thing I did not tell you is what happens when parabola is of the form y minus beta whole square is equal to 4a into x minus alpha. In that case, what will be the equation of tangent? In that case, the tangent will be like circle. You have to replace y with y minus beta. Y minus beta is equal to m into x minus alpha plus a by m. That's all. And the point x1, y1, how you will find? y1 minus beta is equal to 2a by m. x1 minus alpha is equal to a by m square. So you will get y1 is equal to 2a by m plus beta, and x1 is a by m square plus alpha. This is the thing that I did not tell you. This works for the complicated question when the equation of parabola is not of the standard form. Okay, let's end it then. In the next class, actually these formulas are done, only one concept is left, that's equation of director circle through the parabola. After that we'll solve some questions in the next class, and then in the next class we'll move on to the ellipse part. Okay,
Bye, sir.
bye bye. Let's end it.
Bye, sir.
Bye.